Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Keep exploring. In today's video, we are going to discuss exercise 3.2 chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals for class 8 from the NCERT textbook. So let's start. Here the question says find x in the following figures. So in this exercise basically we will do the problems using the exterior angle, sum of the exterior angle problem. So it says that the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degree. That means if you add all the exterior angles of a polygon, means the cyclic like this, if you go in an order, so we will get always 360 degree. So here we can see in this figure, it is a three-sided figure. As you can see, it forms a triangle. So it has three exterior angles we have got. So that means the sum should be always 360 degree. So hence we can say 125 plus 125 degree plus x degree equals to 360 degree. So here we can say 125 plus 125 is 250 plus x is 360 degree, implies x equals to 360 minus 250, that is 110 degrees. So we have easily find the value of x that is in the exterior by using this property. So remember, the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degree. So the same thing for the next figure also. As you can see here, you have one exterior angle 1, 2, 3, 4, but this one is missing out. So you have to find the missing one first. As we see, this is a perpendicular line. The symbol represents it is 90 degree. So if this is 90, the other part will be also 90 degree. And this symbol also represents 90, so we will just add them. So we will start with x plus first this one, then this 90 plus 60 plus again 90 plus 70 is always 360 degree. So we get now x plus 90 plus 60 150, 150 plus 90 240, 240 plus 70 310 degree becomes equals to 360 degree. So x equals to 360 minus 310, we get 50 degree. Hence using this property easily we can find the exterior angles. But see that whenever you are considering an exterior angle, so whenever suppose we consider triangle, so if I am expanding this side, when we extend one of its side, then we get an exterior angle. So again, if you go this one, the next side is this one. If you extend like this, we will get another side. Again, if this side is extended, we get another side. So these are the exterior angles. Now, so let's see one more question here. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. So here, as it says, a regular polygon means all the sides are equal and the angles are also equal. So if the angles are equal, that is the interior angles are equal, then all its exterior angles also should be equal. Hence using that property, what we have a formula here, the sum is always 360. So each exterior angle, measure of each exterior equals to 360 degree by n. So n is nothing but the number of sides. N is the number of sides of each polygon. It's regular because all are equal. So n is the number of sides. How many sides are there? Accordingly, we can easily find the exterior angle. So let's see, use the same formula here. So measure of each exterior angle for the first one. So exterior angle equals to 360 degree by n number of sides are there. N sides are there, so 360 by n. So we get 40 degree. So the exterior angle of a 9-sided polygon, regular polygon, is 40 degree. So that's the first one. Similar, the second one says exterior angle equals to 360 degree by 15 now, because it has 15 sides. So we can know each exterior angle is 15. If you do 15 2s are 30, remainder 6, 60, 15 4s are 60. So each exterior angle is 24 degree. Sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of each of an exterior angle is 24. Here the measure of the exterior angle is given as 24 degree. We have to find the number of sides. So already we have the formula exterior angle equals to 360 degree by n. So from this we can deduce a formula, n equals to 360 degree by n exterior angle. For it is only for a regular polygon, you have to remember. So n equals to nothing but 360 degree by each exterior angle. So we get 24 degree. So each angle is 24 exterior. So 360 by 24 you have to do. So we can cancel it. So 24 and 360 we can cancel by 2. So 2 12s are 180. So you can cut directly by 12 also. So 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, remainder is 6, 12 5 is 60. So it has 15 sides and n is 15 sides. So here we can see if exterior angle is 24, the sum and the sides will be 15. So the regular polygon will have 15 sides. So here you can see for 24 degree to be the exterior angle, the number of sides should be 15. The same thing in the previous question you have seen. For 15 sides, we have got each exterior angle is 24, and here for each angle is 24, we have got 15 sides. So let's see the next question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Now here remember, for regular polygon we are using exterior angle to find the number of sides, but we don't use interior angles. So first we will find what will be the measure of each exterior angle. That is the important. First you have to find the measure of each exterior angle. Now how to find exterior angle? We know for any figure, let it be any figure, if we have an exterior angle, the relation between exterior and interior, they always form a linear pair. So linear pair means the sum is 180 degree. So each exterior angle will be 180 degree minus each interior angle. We can say each interior angle. So 180 minus 165, we get 15 degree. So each exterior angle is 15 degree. Now according to this, we can find the number of sides n. So n is nothing but 360 degree number of sides equal to by each exterior angle. So 360 degree by 15 degree. So 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60. So n is here number of sides, so it will not come degree. So it is 24 sides. So it is a 24 sided regular polygon. So always remember to use this formula that n is equals to 360 by exterior angle or exterior angles to 360 by n. So we are using only exterior angles. So if it is not present, you have to find it, then use this formula. Now the question says, is it possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle 22 degree? Now you have to find whether it is possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle 22 degree. So let's see first each exterior angle. So each exterior angle equals to 22 degrees. Now we have to see for this one what will be the number of sides. So n equals to, for example, it is possible. Let us take that. For example, it is possible there is a regular polygon. So 360 degree by each exterior angle. So we have 22. Now when we try to divide 360 by 22, so we can here see here when 360 is divided by 22. So 22 ones are 22. So we have 4, we have 1, 140. Now we have 22 5s are 110, 22 6s are 132. So the remainder comes 8. Now here it is clearly seen that 360 is not divisible by 22. Hence we don't get a complete whole number. We will never get a whole number, we will get a fraction. And number of sides cannot be a fraction, it has to be always a whole number. So here we see that we are not able to divide 360 by 22 degree. So it is not at all a regular polygon. It is not a regular polygon. Next, can it be an interior of an angle of a regular polygon? Let's see here. If let us assume here the second bit. Each interior angle is 22 degree. Let us assume each interior angle is 22. Now, so exterior angle will be how much? Just you have to subtract 180 minus 22. 180 minus 22 we get 158. Now see here, what will be n? N will be again 360 by 158. Now 360 and 150 are never divisible. So here also it is not possible. So it cannot be a regular polygon. Now the next question says, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle. So we know that to find the sides of a regular polygon, we need exterior angle. So what can be the minimum we have to find out? For that, let us find out what can be the minimum exterior. So here we see, suppose we take what is the smallest polygon? The smallest regular polygon is a equilateral triangle. We know that it is an equilateral triangle is the smallest regular polygon. Now the smallest regular polygon will have the smallest interior angles. So the minimum interior angle is possible only for a three-sided polygon. That's the smallest polygon. So to know that one, first you have to find out what will be the exterior angles. We know each exterior angle equals to 360 degree by the number of sides. So here how many sides it has? It has 3 sides. So exterior angle is 120 degree. If exterior angle is 120 degree, the interior angle equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. We get 60 degree. So 60 degree is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. So there is the minimum. So less than 60 there will be no regular polygon. So that's the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Next, what is the maximum? So this is the A bit. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So as we see here, what can be the maximum exterior angle possible? Again the same way. Here as we saw it already, the maximum exterior angle possible is 120 degrees. So we can say it here like the maximum exterior angle is 120. As we saw here now, the minimum interior angle possible is 60 degree. So if this is the minimum one, the outside one should be the maximum, because these are linear pairs. If this is the minimum, as it keeps on decreasing, this keeps on increasing. So here if the inside is the minimum, outside should be the maximum. Or else we can see here, we know that exterior angle equals to 360 degree by the number of sides n. So we want the maximum. So here if this is the maximum, this one should be the minimum one. So as you know, we can see here, as n keeps on decreasing, exterior angle keeps on increasing. So hence the maximum exterior angle possible is 120 degree, and it is also for the equilateral triangle. Thank you and keep exploring.